Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss question number 16 from R.S. Agarwal, which came in 2008 and 2010 in CBSE board. So here is the question, and we are supposed to find out the roots. So for roots, guys, the only tool we have is factorization, right? So for factorization can be done for a quadratic equation. So first we will bring it in the quadratic equation form. So for that, let's take LCM, which is x plus 4, x minus 7, product of these two, and this into this and this into this. So 1 into x minus 7 minus 1 into x plus 4 is equal to 11 by 30. Okay, now let me open the brackets and solve it. So it is x minus 7 minus x minus 4 by x plus 4x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. So we see x and minus x will cancel. What is minus 4 and minus 11 is, minus 7 and minus 4 is minus 11. X plus 4, x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Guys, we know both side is 11, which can cancel easily. It is 1 and 1. Now we will do cross multiplication. This will go here and this will go here. So minus 30 is equal to x plus 4 x minus 7. Now we will open this. So it is minus 30 x as it is with x minus 7 plus 4 as it is x minus 7. So it is x into x is x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 7 4s are 28, and here is minus 30. Okay, so I'm just trying to bring this expression into quadratic form. Okay, so let me take everything on one side. So this 30 I will try to bring it and simplify. So this became x square. What is minus x plus 4x? It is nothing but minus 3x minus 28, which is there, and I am taking plus 30 here. So what I got here is x square minus 3x. What is 30 minus 20? It is nothing but 2 is equal to 0. This is my equation. So now I am ready to factorize. I think factorization is pretty simple for you guys. 2 into 1, because first term is 1. 2 into 1 is 2 into 1 is 2, and I have to factorize to get 3 as a sum. This is the sign sum. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is my factor actually, 2 and 1. So what I will do here is, let me write down my equation. This is my equation. I am using factor 2 and 1. So x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. I hope you got it. I am using 2 is equal to 2 into 1, these factors. Okay. So here what is common? X minus 2. Here what is common? Nothing. So I can take 1 as a common. So it will be x minus 2. Now out of these two, what is common? X minus 2 is common. And what is left here is x. And what is left here is 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so after factorization, what is the next step? These are the two factors, we have to put them equal to 0. So my first root is x is equal to 2. Second, if I put this 0, so my second root is this. So what are my solutions, guys? X is equal to 1 or 2. This is my final answer. Okay, if you feel that you want to change the speed, if you are watching on a mobile video, you will see on the right hand corner 3 dots. Please click on those 3 dots. It will show you one option, speed. Speed you can increase, decrease, or keep it normal according to your requirement. In laptop also, there is a small button on the window. On this side you will find for setting. If you click on it, it will show you option of changing speed. So please adjust the speed according to your requirement. So here is on mobile, you will find 3 white dots, or on laptop you will find a kind of circular button. If you press here for settings, they will give you option of changing the speed. Please adjust it according to your requirement. Okay, let's do next question number 17. It also came in 2013 board. So here is the question, guys. 1 by a plus b plus x is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x. Okay, so if you want to solve such type of equation, solve means they are asking roots. That's all. Solve means they are asking roots. For roots we will factorize, and for factorization we need to have it in the form of quadratic equation, right? The first step is all x terms you keep one side. Here is x, so I will keep it with this. So let me take 1 plus, okay, minus 1 by x. See, this became minus here, is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b. Okay, so now here we will simplify a little bit, and here also. So what is the simplification? A plus b plus x, the LCM part, we take product of these two, this into this, this into this. So it will be x minus a plus b plus x. Remember, this is minus, so don't forget it. This sign is equal to, here LCM will be a into b, and this will be b plus a. I hope you got it. Now if I open this bracket, this plus will become minus. Okay, so let me do it on a fresh page. Here guys, this is my before part. So let me copy it. Minus a minus b minus x by a plus b plus x into x is equal to b plus a by a into b. Correct. Now let me simplify it. I can see that this x and this minus x are cancelling. Okay, so I am left with minus a and minus b, minus a and minus b. If I take minus common, so it will become a plus b clearly. Now it is a plus b plus x into x. Can I write this a plus b? Because b plus a is same as a plus b by a into b. Now guys, you can see a plus b is here and here. It will cancel, and I am left with 1. Okay, so far so good. What else? I can take this ab here and this whole term here, and minus of 1 into ab, this I am taking here, and this is going there, is equal to a plus b plus x into x. So I am getting ab ax plus bx plus x square. This ab also I will bring here because I need to get quadratic equation. Plus bx plus ax plus ab is equal to 0. What I can take here? X is common, so it will be x plus b. Here guys, what is common? Can I take a common? So it is x plus b is equal to 0. Now in these two terms, what is common? I think x plus b is common. So what is left is x plus a is equal to 0. So first I got the quadratic equation, then I factorized, and after getting factors, what is the step to get the solution? To get the solution, I have to put either x plus b is 0 or x plus a is 0. So here x will be minus b or x is minus a. This is my final answer. I hope you got it guys. I can give you a guarantee, if you solve these questions 3 to 4 times before board, you are going to score above 95%. Okay, please trust me. If you follow these questions, you are going to get good marks. The only condition is you have to watch full videos and you have to solve questions 3 to 4 times. Okay, so here is my next question guys. Question 18, which is from board paper 2014. Here is the question: x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 is 3 1 by 3. Okay, 3 1 by 3, I can write 3 3s are 9 plus 1, which is 10 by 3. So this question is pretty simple, guys. I will suggest you solve on your own, and after solving you should get x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 7 by 2. Please try this as a test. If you are able to get the answer, you write in the comment box did it. If you are not getting, please tell me, I will solve it in next video. Here is the next question, which appeared in 2014 CBSE in another set of questions, question paper. So it is 2x minus 1, x plus 3. Please write down question with me and try to solve parallelly. Okay, is equal to 5. So you are supposed to calculate the value of x. I hope you have written question. Now we will simplify. So first this 2 is multiplied. Remember, if there is something, it is multiplied only in numerator, not in denominator. See, if you have 4a by b, so this 4 is multiplied only with the numerator, 4a by b. This is not multiplied with this. Okay, so I will multiply 2 with this. So 2 2s are is 4x minus 2 by x plus 3 minus, this is multiplied, 3x plus 9 by 2x minus 1 is 5. Okay, here we can observe one more thing, that I feel 2x minus 1 and x plus 3 and 2x minus 1, they are kind of reciprocal of each other. Okay, so we can use that factor also. Here, though, it can be solved by taking LCM and by cross multiplying. But guys, better than this method, I feel by observation that 2x minus 1 and x plus 3, if I consider for some time, let me consider as t. If this is t, then what will happen? X plus 3 by 2x minus 1 will be 1 by t. This came out of observation. Suppose you are not able to observe by chance in exam, then you can go ahead and solve it like previous questions. Multiply this with this with this, take LCM and bring it in a simple form. But if you are able to observe, let's try this method. So it is 2 into t minus 3 into 1 by t is equal to 5. I hope you got it. Now, if I write by 1, so this into this will be my LCM. Okay, and then I will multiply this with this and this with this. So 2t into t is 2t square minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, so now what will happen? If I am having it 2t square minus 3 by t, I can take this t there and make a simple equation. So let me solve it for you guys. Can I write 2t square minus 3 is equal to 5t? Okay, now I can bring it this side and it will become 2t square minus 5t minus 3 is 0. Perfect. Now what we factorize? 3 2s are 6. There are 3 steps for solution. First is bring it in quadratic equation. Second is factorize. And third is put those factors equal to 0. So I got quadratic equation. So what is the factors? 2 into 3 is 6. So 6 I have to factorize to get 5. After subtraction, you have to see this sign. This is important sign. So after subtraction, I have to get 5. So I can use 1 into 6. is equal to 6 and 6 minus 1 is 5. So my requirement is getting over. So I am going ahead and using 6 and 1. So 2t square minus 6t plus t minus 3, 0. Now I am making pairs. 2 pair here, 2 means 1 pair here, 1 pair here. So what do you think is common? Here is 2t common. So I am getting t minus 2 3s are 6, 3. Now plus I am taking 1 common here. So I am getting t minus 1 equal to 0. Now out of these two, what is common? T minus 3 and I got 2t plus 1. Correct? But guys, this t was not present in my actual question. If you remember, the question was in terms of x. T was my assumption. So I cannot say that this is my final solution. I need one more step. So here what I got is, if this was my equation, I would have got this is 0, so t is equal to 3. If this was my equation, I would have got t is equal to minus half. But my t was something else. My t was, if you observe, was 2x minus 1 by x plus 3. This was my t. So I have to put it back and then solve it for x. So let me do it. T is 2x minus 1 by x plus 3 is equal to 3. So take it here. So it will be 2x minus 1 is 3 into x plus 3, which is 2x minus 1, 3x plus 9. So if I take 2x minus 3x here and 9 plus 1 is 10. So what I am getting, guys, if you solve it, you will have x is equal to minus 10. I hope you got it, because 3x minus 2x is x and minus sign I'm putting other side. Now let me see for this. If your 2x minus 1 by x plus 3 is minus half, so this here and this here by cross multiplication, twice of 2x minus 1 minus of x plus 3, which is 4x minus 2 minus x minus 3. Okay, so can I take x here and minus 2? So it will be 4x plus x is 5x is equal to minus 3 plus 2, which is 5x is equal to minus 1. That means x is minus 1 by 5. So this is my final answer, these two. I hope you got it. How by observation I converted this expression 2x minus 1 and x plus 3 into, I assumed into t, solved it and then kept the two values of t separately and solved for x. That is how we can solve. This type of question was asked in your board paper. So guys, let me solve one more question for you guys. Here is the question number 20 from paper 2016 year. Here is 2 by x plus 1 plus 3 by twice of x minus 2 is equal to 23 by 5x. Okay, here if I observe, there is nothing like I can assume t as in previous question. Another thing I can observe that x is here also. It's not only this side, x is here also. Okay, so let me solve this side first, simplify, and then try to merge it with this. So how we will do, guys, let's take LCM. LCM is usually the product of these two. So twice of x plus 1, x minus 2, this into this. So this into this will be 2 2s are 4, x minus 2 plus 3, x plus 1 is 23 by 5x. Okay. Now I can open the bracket. So it is 4x minus 8 plus 3x plus 3 by 2, x plus 1, x minus 2, 23 by 5x. Okay. So what I am getting here is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7x minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5 by 2. If I make the product of these two, it will be x square. X with this is minus 2x plus x with this and minus 2. 23 by 5x. Okay. Now let me take this side and this side for the simplification. Okay. So here I can do 7x minus 5 into 5x is equal to 23 into 2, 23 into 2 into this thing. This is x square minus 2x plus x. I am just simplifying it, minus x minus 2. I hope you got it. Now how to simplify it further? Let me multiply 5x with these two both. So this will be 35x square because 7 5s are 35x square. 5 is 25x is equal to, this is 46, right? 23 into 2 is 46. I am writing here only 46, and this 46 is multiplied with this and this and this, all three. So it will be 46x square minus 46x minus 92. Okay, 46 into 2. Let's bring everything on one side, and so that we can simplify it. Here are only two terms, so I will bring it this side and change the sign to 46x square minus 46x minus 92. This one, this will come here, minus 35x square plus 25x is 0. I am coming little bit close to my quadratic equation. I have to see these two terms, square square, and then I have to combine x terms, and then this is my constant term. Okay, so let me simplify it for you guys. So if I have this thing 46 minus 35, I hope everybody knows this 11x square. Now this is 46 plus 25. So how much will it become? It will become minus of, because this is minus, bigger sign, 21x minus of 92 is equal to 0. Constant term is only 1. Okay. Now can we take something common to make it simple? I don't think so. So we have to think of a solution. Okay. So how to find out the roots? Let me multiply 11 into 92. And that I have to factorize such that the subtraction should be 21. So guys, I have to factorize it. So let me see, 11 is not going by anything. 92 I can factorize. 2 4s are 6 are 2 2s are 2 3s are. So 23 1. So my factors of this term are 11 into 2 into 2 into 23. Right? 11 I am copying. Factors of 92 are 2 into 2 into 23. So out of this I have to factorize such that subtraction should be equal to 21. So what I feel is, if I take this together like 11 into 4 and next factor I take 23, which is 44 into 23, 23, will give me the desired result. See, 44 minus 23 is 21 and 44 into 23 is this thing, what I need. Okay, so I'm going ahead and using this. You please practice how to factorize to get the middle term. So I am getting 11x square minus 44x plus 23x minus 92 is 0. Here I can take x common and 11 also common. Correct? So what is left here? X minus 4. In these two, clearly I can take 23 common because I just did 23 into 4 is 92. Right? So x minus 4. You can check it out. 23 into 2 is 92, right, is equal to 0. Now I have two parts of it which is separated by plus. What can I take common is x minus 4 common. What is left is 11x plus 23. Yes, I got factors this and this. So what is the root? If this is 0, then x is 4, or 11x plus 23 is 0. So x is minus 23 by 11. Guys, I got two roots. This is my answer. I hope you got it. So this was the question asked in year 2016. Okay. Now let me see to solve one last question from this part, which is here. Question number 21, which was asked in 2009 CBSE. So here it is similar to previous questions, but let me solve it. I think you would have gained speed by now. Please write the question with me and try to solve parallelly for better understanding. So what I will do is, let me take LCM, because this side is also x, this side is also x, this side is also x. So to simplify, let me take these two first and LCM. So LCM is x plus 3, 2x minus 1 is equal to this. I am writing, just copying it. And how to solve it? This side, this is multiplied with this and this is with this. So it is 1 into 2x minus 1 plus x plus 3, 1 into. I hope you got it. Now we have to just simplify it. So I am opening the brackets, these, plus x plus 3 by, now multiply x with both and 3 with both. So it is 2x square minus x, correct, 2x square minus x, with the 3 it will be 6x minus 3 is 11 by 7x plus 9. Okay, what is 2x plus x? Is 3x plus 2 by 2x square. What is this and this? Plus 5x minus 3, 11 by 7x plus 9. Can I multiply with this? Because nothing is going to cancel. So I have to eventually multiply this with this and this with this. Okay guys, if you already know how to solve it, please speed it up and solve it on your own. So 3x plus 2 and 7x plus 9 is 11 times 2x square plus 5x minus 3. Okay. So this side I will multiply 3x with both, which is 7x plus 9, plus 2, this term with both, which is 7x plus 9 is, now 11 is multiplied with everything, 22x square plus 55x. To the final equation that we will get is x square plus 14x minus 51. I hope you are able to get it. After this we have to factorize it. 51 into 1, because nothing is there in front, 1. So 51 everybody knows is 17 into 3. We know that, right? And both are prime numbers. We can't even factorize any further. And what is 17 minus 3 is 14. So my requirement is getting over. Means subtraction say I am getting 14 and product say I am getting 51. So I am using these two. So x square plus 17x minus 3x minus 51 is 0. Out of these two, I think x is common. And out of these two, I can take 3 common. So x plus 17. Don't forget this minus will become plus because I am taking minus, is equal to 0. Now I have these two terms, this and this. What is common? Clearly these two are, this is common. So x plus 17 common. What is left is x minus 3. I am almost in the end of my answer. So x plus 17 is 0. So x is equal to minus 17 is one solution, or x minus 3 is 0. So x is equal to 3 is one possible solution. So these are my answers. I hope you got it. I will see you next video with few more questions. Please solve it 2-3 times and you are good to solve any question from any book. Bye bye everybody.